Okay, so just so you know, this boiler's had 6 or 7 visits. It's an intermittent fault that no one can pin down, and I couldn't for a long time. I was at this property and I could not get the boiler to go to fault. I'll show you what happens here and how I resolve it. And the other issues with this boiler, so the AAV leaks, the knob for the heating falls off, and the pressure does rise throughout my testing procedure, so it shows that that vessel's flat. But I just got to clarify this. This job was gone back to afterwards for the pump to be replaced and the other issues to be dealt with. I was purely there to diagnose what was causing this intermittent issue.
Okay, so this is the Delta T. The hot tap is running, you can hear it in the distance. It's only running at 3 litres a minute, but it is running. The status code on the boiler is S10. Now that means that it's got a hot water demand. Now if we come out of this, it says it's 58 degrees, the pump is running. If we go into the diagnostic codes, D3 is hot water temperature, 16 degrees. This is also saying it's 16 degrees, TC1. Okay, so the boiler knows the hot water is 16 degrees. It knows it's, if we go into the status codes, it knows it's meant to be running for hot water, but it isn't, it's just sitting there. And if we come out of status codes, it's 58 degrees it says. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to check that's red hot. Let's feel right up here. That is hot, red hot. This is stone cold, okay? So, let me get a flash on here and I'll come back to you, okay? Okay, so, this pipe here, so here's your pump. This pipe here is red hot, okay? Oh, can't hold it. 58 degrees is what the display says the flow is. The return must be somewhere near that. The plate heat exchanger is stone cold. I can hold that. Okay, it's really cold, 16 degrees. As this sensor here, that's the domestic hot water temperature sensor. Sorry, that's the domestic hot water temperature sensor, but that's the temperature sensor for the plate heat exchanger. It's stone cold. That's for the preheat, that one. Okay, stone cold, red hot. So, our problem is that this pump has failed on one of the speeds. Okay, the problem is this pump here will be getting power. One sec. This is not the technical way to do it. Oh, there we go. That pump suddenly ran. That pump suddenly ran there, and now this pipe is cold. That pipe there is now cold.
Okay, so right at this moment, I wasn't sure now, was I right or wrong with what this boiler was doing. So I'm going to go to the van and get a multimeter. But what do you think right now? Do you think I'm right or wrong? Because it's all live, so you're seeing it as I see it. And when it springs back into life, it shocks me a bit.
So that has power, according to this. So I'm going to go grab a multimeter from the van. And we'll see what's going on here. Oh. It's 10 now. How odd. Oh, sorry, that was the outlet temperature. Sprung back into life. 16. That's 10. Let's see if that starts to drop off. How unusual is this? The boiler recognised the hot water demand but done nothing. We've got 240 on the pump, that's on the low speed. And you see that temperature dropping there? There we go, pumps. Basically, we've got, this pump is not running now. It's got 240, this for the low speed, it's not running. Okay, so to confirm we fix this boiler, what we're going to do, these pumps are 2-speed, you've got the 5 wires here for the pump, okay? You can lock these in the software, you can lock this pump, so you can see we're at 27 degrees, yeah? 240 on that pump. Now that, what I'm measuring there, so I've got to be really careful. What I'm measuring there, that's the low speed side of the board. I'm going to measure the high speed because I think when that wouldn't rise like it is now, the pump's running now. That wouldn't rise unless the high speed side of that pump was working. So that's what we're going to check now, the high speed side of the pump. Okay, right, so you see the temperature's gone up and it's coming back down. Okay, we've got no power on here. I've now got this set up to check the high speed side of this pump. And what we'll find is the relay will click. Right, watch this. Relay clicks, 240. So now the high speed side of the pump is running. Relay clicks, it goes off. That pump is now not running. So the boiler thinks it's running it on low speed. Okay. There we go. So the boiler thinks it's running it at low speed that whole time, but it's not. So all we have to do to fix this boiler is lock it on high speed, and that will get rid of this fault. And I'll leave it with the customer and they can phone me to confirm that. Okay, so we go to D19 there. You can see it says pump speed 1 equals min speed in heating, 2 equals automatic, okay? 3 hasn't got it, but it's the max speed, okay? That should be 3 equals max speed, okay? So the factory setting is 2, so we're going to go into D19 now on here, okay? And we've got to go in second level diagnostics for that, so right, here we go. Forget this, we're not worried about this right now, we're trying to fix this boiler. Well, hey, D19 is now there. That should be set at 2, and it is. I'm going to set it at 3, hold it. Let's get it set, and we should do that pump speed. Speed up now. We should hear that pump now run after it stops this. Back up to 50. So, our boiler is now fixed. And what have we done? The flame is now off, yeah? That. But you can still hear this pump is running nice and strong. And now the pump is only going to be running on high speed, so it won't be trying to alternate. So, hold on. Let me get this cover off and I'll show you. Well, I might be able to do it now. Let me see if I can do it with this. Let me move that out of the way, grab these. .240 on the low speed now. So we jump this over here. 240 on the high speed. Fan's gone out, gone down. Still got 240 on there. So it's not jumping in and out now. Boiler's now lighting again. So what was happening before, that flame would go out. It would kick the pump down to low speed. There, the flame's gone out. It would kick the pump down to low speed. Okay, there it is. I wasn't pushing them in. Kick the pump down to low speed. The pump wouldn't run, so then the boiler would sit there doing nothing. All fixed, just lock it on the high speed.